We are going to quickly see an option which will be highly helpful for purchasing managers or purchasing executives to quickly report the top contributing vendors in your meetings and discussions, maybe so that you have a better edge over your peers, right? So we'll quickly look at this video. So just navigate to procurement and sourcing module, and then go to inquiries and reports and vendor statistics and click on top 100 vendors. So here you can give the number of records you want to include in this particular inquiry. After giving the number of records, then you need to select the sorting method, right? It can be based on the revenue, quantity, or account. If I select revenue, then I click on OK. Then this report generates the top contributing vendors in terms of revenue, which will be based on your invoice posting journals, right? So this amount is calculated based on your purchase invoice postings, and it also says that 84% of your purchases are primarily coming from Acme office supplies. Right, so this report will be highly helpful in quickly reporting your purchasing related analysis. Also, if you want to, instead of based on the amount, if I generate the report based on the quantity, then it will tell me that overall based on the purchases for the particular fiscal year, who is the top contributing vendor in terms of quantity. So you can also see that 15% of the purchases quantity are coming from the Contoso Chemicals Japan, right? So even though Acme is contributing in terms of volume, but in terms of amount, but the volume contribution is from Contoso Chemicals Japan, right? So the third option is also just basically, if you don't want to generate based on revenue or quantity, but simply want to generate a report based on the account, then system generates the account based on the alphanumerical order that whatever the vendors available in your system are sorted. So all your vendor accounts are sorted right now. Since I have selected 20 records, only 20 records are available here. At any point in time, user can export it in PDF, Excel, and whatever the way they want, and then they can use it for further analysis. And also, not only in procurement and sourcing module, if you don't have a procurement and sourcing module access, if you are a finance professional and you have access only to accounts payable, then from accounts payable also, if you go to inquiries and reports, vendor reports, and top 100 vendors, the same report can be generated. So using this report, you will be able to quickly inform your senior management or managers who are the top contributing vendors based on your invoicing amount or quantity, and that will give you a better edge compared to your peers. So that's Dynamics 365 Finance and Operation for you in 2 minutes. Thanks for watching the video.